Reviving Bokator, the journey of Grand Master San Kimsean. In this video, we explore the inspiring journey of Grand Master San Kimsean, who has dedicated his life to reviving the ancient Khmer martial art of Bokator. From his early beginnings as a young martial artist to his extensive research and promotion of Bokator worldwide, we learn about his tenacious efforts to restore Bokator as a cultural heritage, sport, form of entertainment, and a way of life that Khmer people can once again take pride in. We also delve into the challenges he faced during the Pol Pot regime and his eventual resettlement in the United States, where he realized the absence of Khmer martial arts in the global martial arts landscape. His ultimate goal was to ensure that Bokator would not be lost to future generations. Through his hard work and dedication, Grand Master San Kimsean has collected and preserved more than 3,000 Bokator martial arts techniques that embody the nation's characteristics. He emphasizes the importance of preserving and spreading Bokator, stating that once it is preserved, it cannot be lost to any country, and it can contribute to the advancement of Khmer civilization. We also learn about the government's initiative to include Bokator as a sport in the curriculum for grades 1 to 12, recognizing the benefits of learning martial arts, promoting physical fitness, fostering unity, enhancing self-defense strategies, and instilling the Khmer spirit within children. Finally, we explore the award-winning documentary Surviving Bokator, which captures the historic period of Bokator's resurrection, including modern Bokator's first-ever win in a world competition. This powerful film is a unique look into post-war people's efforts to reclaim their traditional identity and find their place in a modern world. Join us on this journey of reviving Bokator and preserving Khmer culture for future generations.
I really enjoyed this film. I mean, it's a very nice story of the one person dedicated to Bokator, and it shows the very importance of people being, motivated for making Bokator reviving.
cho UNESCO គេទទួលស្គាល់ខ្លាចទៅជាសម្បត្តិបេតិកភណ្ឌជាតិមួយគឺពិតជាពិបាកមែនទែនហើយតែពាក្យថារស់ឡើងវិញបានន័យថាកាមុនស្ទើរតែទៅបាត់ហើយបាត់សូន្យហើយមើលឲ្យសេតក៏មានសុបាយចិត្តក៏មានមោទនភាពក៏មានបាទ
So I just watched the film Surviving Bokator, and what I was struck by was when the Grand Master visited Angkor Wat and he saw the scenes of fighting, right, of Bokator from thousands of years ago on the, carved into the stone of Angkor Wat. And it just shows how deep the Cambodian culture is.
វាមានអត្ថន័យវាមានប្រយោជន៍នឹងសម្រាប់បងប្អូននិងយុវជនខ្មែរបានមកទស្សនាហើយបានយល់ដឹងអំពីថាតើការរស់នៅរវាងអ្នកចំនួនចាស់ហើយនិងអ្នកចំនួនក្មេងការរស់នៅមានផ្នត់គំនិតខុសគ្នាបែបណាអញ្ចឹងកុនឯកសារនេះគឺអាចបង្រៀនបងប្អូនយុវជនទាំងអស់គ្នាឲ្យបានយល់ហើយក៏បានឃើញថាតើការតស៊ូតាំងពីបងប្អូនដែលធ្វើឲ្យបកតោរស់ឡើងវិញមកហ្នឹងមានដំណើរទំនងយ៉ាងម៉េចខ្លះវាឯកសារប៉ុន្តែវាជាជីវិតពិតអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំរំភើបខ្ញុំរំជើបរំជួលពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំទឹកភ្នែកពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តអត់ខុសពីខ្ញុំមើលកុននេះ
Really proud that it has been recognized at the UNESCO as a temporal heritage of humanity. So this timing is great, but also the evolution, and you as a witness were able to capture this renaissance of Bokator.
សូម្បីតែនិយាយលើហ្នឹងក៏អួរដាមកដែរមានស៊ីនដែលខ្ញុំយំហើយខ្ញុំយំច្រើនខ្លាំងមែនតើ
I was close to crying sometimes. It was fantastic how their life is difficult and then how they had Bokator to help them to find a family and to do something for their life, to represent Cambodia, to be proud of what they do.
ពីមុនមកគឺមានអារម្មណ៍ថាពួកគាត់គឺពិបាកខ្លាំងហើយតម្រាំមកដល់ពួកខ្ញុំឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថាពិតជាអស្ចារ្យមែនទែនហើយធ្វើឲ្យពួកខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គ្នាព្យាយាមនឹងខិតខំហ្វឹកហាត់បាច់គុននេះគឺមិនឲ្យសាបសូន្យហើយនឹងខិតខំធ្វើឲ្យបាច់គុនរបស់Bokatorមានកេរ្តិ៍ឈ្មោះនៅរីកគ្រប់ទីកន្លែង
I impressed very good, you know, really talk about the culture of Bokator, of Cambodia, you know. So I think that's the first step for the world, you know, to understand more.
វត្តសាស្ត្រដែលកូនខ្មែរគួរតែដឹងដកដួលមោទនភាព
Never give up.
Culture.
អញ្ចឹងសង្ឃឹមថាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាចូលរួមជាឆន្ទៈការចូលរួមមកគ្រប់គ្រងជាកូនឯកសារយើងដើម្បីឲ្យមានភាពល្បីទៅមុខនិងជួយលើកស្ទួយវប្បធម៌និងBokatorខ្មែរយើងផងអរគុណច្រើនមែនទែន